feeling irritable, tired, unable to concentrate. No matter where you turn, everyone else seems to have found the answer. No matter how much you concentrate, no matter how much you try, things just do not add up. Presentations are not working out the way they should, taking your frustrations out on others. What is the answer? What's missing? Pills, doctor visits, more pills. I don't think that will be the answer. It's something very simple. Very, very simple. And others can help too and share in the revelry. What is the answer? What is the answer? This woman has found it. She seems very capable and thrilled to share her discovery. So do these folks. It's something that can happen anywhere at any time, no matter what the occasion. Some people can barely contain themselves. Others have an epiphany. These folks joined in a group celebration when they found it and shared it with others. Look how happy they are. It's amazing what can be done. This fellow started. Any age, anytime, anywhere. This person is feeling liberated. It's amazing what can happen when you find it. These people can do it and have been better off for it. Technology allows for spontaneous sharing of ideas and entertainment anywhere, anytime. There's no excuse. Something as simple as finding the Marian Mitchell YouTube channel. Sharing in the revelry and delight of others is just a couple clicks away. These folks seem to have found it. Food tastes better, air feels fresher, water tastes crisper. This woman is very surprised. Everything, nature, people, families, collaborative efforts, everything responds better, livelier, relevant, timely, concise. Subscribe today and click that notification bell and tell others of the experience too. Thank you.